Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Ulaong bakakan hun menteri ke ajing Mynjur ya kejeng terwa bantiat Jaka ke balai poin kendah nyoar akar ha Thied mutlong laskin blok haga district West Jaintia Hills. Da kejeng kemu bantai ya ke integrated Lakadong Turmeric processing plant bagane kadai kat kum kejeng betah ke sorkar pedang ya ke Jela ke Thied stela mingi. Bakin itu bakin tiu way ni ki maru bapen mi haga Jela. Bad Ulaong bak Jela kelai selok bat ketenat dona bak lajit Shynrai Lakadong kum umar rep. Uli itu bakin ki integrated Lakadong Turmeric processing plant ni ke Karkhana sanyu Shynrai. Antai haga jinglot ke bakot cispa prapunyo keluar tengka da kejeng kerjaan ke sorkar pedang. Haka baga tenat dona bad ka tenat garap karyang kin ai pisa kumbah nyau phau hado praphau na kasispa bad ka basa kata lai phau lane lai pesan klor anbei da ke sorkar Jela. Ulong shushu baga kanhun menteri ke Mynjur bantiat ke Jaka haka dor ka ba iwei point nyau klor tengka bantai kini ke Karkhana ka banlong ka jing mentoy ya kipat nongrap.
As you're aware, Government of India, Donor Ministry has asked every state in the northeast to pick up one product and to promote it. And in consultation with Donor Ministry, turmeric was the product that was selected for Meghalaya. And a total project cost of about 187 crores has been finalized, out of which the Donor Ministry and Agriculture Ministry is giving the majority amount. Exact figures are not there with me, but about close to 70-80% is coming from them. And about 30 crores or 35 crores is being invested by state government. But for that process to take forward, land is required to set up this integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. This, of course, is in line with the fact that turmeric is a product that is in high demand throughout the world. It's one of the USPs that we have. And we have been promoting this product a lot, and we feel that there's a huge opportunity for the state, especially for the farmers. And in line, as I said, with this entire mission mode that the Government of India has decided with the Donor Ministry, which goes in line, of course, with the Lakadong Turmeric mission that we had started 6 years back. This particular land was purchased, or rather decision was made today to purchase it, where the integrated Lakadong Turmeric processing plant will be set up. This is the cost is coming up to about 1.7 crores for the 4 acre, 3.972 acres, about 4 acres land.